You want to be rich in 2026? Cool. Stop acting broke in disguise. Everyone wants wealth, but no one wants to admit that it's built from boring, repeatable habits, not manifesting abundance on a vision board. So let's skip the fluff. These are the 10 money habits that'll quietly make you rich while everyone else is flexing fake success. Let's get into it. 1. Stop multitasking finances. You're not a financial octopus. Stop juggling 5 apps, 3 budgets, and a random note titled savings. Track everything in one place and focus, because scattered attention equals scattered finances. Wealth loves structure, not chaos. If your money lives in 12 places and you can't find it, guess who's winning? Not you. Once your finances are centralized, you can actually see where your money goes. 2. Automate or stay broke. Still manually paying bills and transferring savings like it's 2009? No wonder your money disappears. Automation isn't lazy. It's how rich people make discipline effortless. Set it once, forget it, and let your system work while you sleep. But even automation fails if you're spending on junk you don't notice. If you've ever missed a bill or forgotten to save, smash that like button. Automating your money is a total game changer. 3. Batch your spending like a pro. If your spending habits are a little bit every day, congratulations, you've built a slow leak. Pick 1 or 2 days a month to handle purchases and bills. The rest, zero spending. Fewer swipes, fewer regrets, more cash. Impulse shopping kills wealth. Set specific days for grocery runs, online shopping, or entertainment spending. When you batch, you avoid random drains and track exactly where money goes. Spending daily is like dripping coins into a cup. Batch it or it spills everywhere. And while controlling spending, there's another habit the rich swear by. 4. Cut the subscription circus. You don't need Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, and 5 apps you forgot existed. You're not a media empire. You're one person. Audit your subscriptions quarterly. Keep what adds value. Cancel what drains silently. The rich track leaks before they sink ships. We all get trapped in auto renewals. Gym memberships, apps, streaming services. $15 here, $20 there. It compounds into real money over a year. If your subscriptions outnumber your investments, it's time for a reality check. Tap the like button. This tip saved you money. Small changes add up faster than you think. Now let's talk about making your money work while you sleep. 5. Make rewards work, not you. Chasing points like a caffeine-high raccoon? Stop. Credit cards aren't free money. They're traps disguised as perks. Use cashback and miles to reduce spending, not justify it. Otherwise, you're funding the bank's next vacation. Don't have plastic cards control your life. Let them complement your wealth-building plan. Don't mindlessly pursue points. Make them work for you, not the bank, and see small savings add up to real wealth. But even smart perks fail without knowing the difference between wants and needs. 6. Delay the damn purchase. That must-have impulse buy? You won't even remember it next week. Wait 48 hours before hitting checkout. Half the time, you'll realize you don't need it or already own something that does the job. Often, once the initial excitement fades, your brain realizes you don't actually need it at all. This brief respite will set you back hundreds, even thousands eventually. Every impulsive purchase is really a small deposit to the regret bank. Money spent on something that brings no tangible value to your life. By being patient, not only are you saving money, but learning to make better, considered money choices, converting short-term abstinence into long-term wealth. And in trap avoidance, the second habit is building multiple money streams. 7. Monetize what you already know. You've got skills collecting dust while you scroll TikTok. Turn them into income. Freelance, consult, create. Even a small side hustle compounds faster than your "I'll start later" excuse. You have talents you're not using, skills, knowledge, or hobbies that could earn you money if you put them to work. Wait not for opportunities to find you, but rather create them. Even small money streams may seem insignificant at first, but over time they add up, just like investments. These additional dollars can be saved, reinvested, or invested in your goals so you can have freedom sooner than just by your 9 to 5. Your paycheck is limited. Your skills don't have to be. Comment below one skill you can monetize this month. Even a small side hustle can change everything in 2026. But extra income won't help if your savings habit is weak. 8. No spend zones equals sanity zones. Go 1 month without spending on a specific category. No coffee runs, no gadgets, no fashion treats. It's financial fasting. Painful at first, freeing after. You'll realize how much money dies quietly in your daily autopilot. Pick categories where you simply refuse to spend for a month, or anything else that's a habitual drain on your finances. This isn't about deprivation. It's about forcing yourself to see your money clearly and rethink your habits. Suddenly, you start finding creative ways to solve problems, brewing your own coffee, cooking simple meals, reusing or repairing items, or finding free entertainment. Additionally, showing how much money you unknowingly waste every month that goes into intangible leaks, converting them into tangible savings. When you purposefully establish these no-spend zones, you not only save funds but also cultivate discipline and awareness, two tendencies that build into riches in the long term. The best way to grow wealth is sometimes just not touching it. And once you stop spending, it's time to protect your wealth. 9. Kill lifestyle inflation before it kills you. Got a raise? Congratulations, don't ruin it. Skip the new car, the "I deserve this" upgrade, the impulsive apartment move. Wealth grows when income grows, but spending doesn't. The rich invest raises, the broke inflate them. Instead, keep your spending steady and invest the difference. Every extra dollar should go into assets that grow over time, stocks, funds, or side hustles, not into liabilities that depreciate or drain your bank account. The wealthy understand this. They let their assets, not their liabilities, grow, so each raise compounds into long-term freedom instead of short-term satisfaction. By resisting the urge to keep up, you're letting your money work for you, not the other way around. Every dollar you spend on upgrades is a dollar delaying your financial freedom. Finally, the last habit is psychologically the hardest but most powerful. 10. Stop buying for applause. If you're still buying to look successful, you're broke with Wi-Fi. Every dollar should buy freedom, not validation. Rich people don't flex, they automate, invest, and let time flex for them. The easiest way to look like you're just trying to keep yourself in the rat race is buying for status, appearances, or peer approval. Stop because, truth be told, whatever new gadget, designer bag, or flashy car you buy won't make you rich. Your investments are your future. Every dollar you spend chasing validation is a dollar taken away from your freedom. Wealth isn't about being seen, it's about compounding quietly behind the scenes, building security and freedom over time while everyone else is busy chasing applause. Your money ought to work for you as opposed to other people's opinions. Now let's summarize this thing so you can experience the wealth shift in 2026. You need to keep your money simple in order to change your finances in the coming year. How? By automating bills and investments and bundle spending. Max out subscriptions, leverage rewards, wait for gratification, monetize abilities, establish no-spend areas, and guard against lifestyle inflation. View money as a tool rather than a trophy, and your finances will flip. Wealth isn't luck, it's small, smart habits stacked over time. Start one today, stick with it, and watch your money and freedom grow. Quiet choices now equal life-changing results later. Start one habit today, implement it, and watch your wealth grow. Remember, it's small, intentional actions that compound faster than luck. Hit subscribe for more no-fluff, sarcastic, fast-paced finance advice. This is Jet Set Finance, where we roast bad money habits and teach you to grow wealth one stickman at a time. Stickman out.